In this daily drop, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite pieces of small kit, this dual joint tilter bracket from Westcott. So let's go. All right, kids, here we are again, and I'm going to talk about this one. This little sucker right here is something that's been in my kit for a long time. I'm heading up north to Vancouver, BC to create some content for the channel. I'm going to have to pack a small kit, and this inevitably is going with me. What is it? It's pretty simple. You've got two dual joints. Think of it like a little mini magic arm. It's got a 5/8 receiver here for a baby pin, and it's got a 1/4-20, and there's another little surprise that I'll show you in a minute. So just attach this to a baby pin. There you go. And because of the dual joint, this thing will move 180 degrees, basically allowing you to position this anywhere that you want. And total capacity in terms of weight, about 20 pounds. So you can put pretty decent stuff on this thing. And then here's my other little thing that I wanted to show you. I love it when manufacturers do stuff like this. There's a little secret door here, toolless. You just pop it off, and guess what's inside? It says 1/4 and it says 3/8. Inside of here is a 1/4-20 to 3/8-16 bushing. Just go ahead and put that on the top here and just place this back. So everything just stays where it's supposed to, kind of like on tripod heads where they have the little threads so you can put 1/4-20 and 3/8 for your plates to mount your cameras. Love that as well. Pop this back on, and now I have 3/8-16, can take something like this. I think I originally got this at Film Tools. This is a 3/8-16 to 5/8 or baby pin. I can just put that on top of here, and now I can adjust this in any position that I want. Great piece of kit, about $50 US. Haven't really seen that I've been able to find knockoffs for this particular piece of kit. The dual joint tilter bracket, whatever you want to call it, it's basically allowing you to get things like lights and small pieces of kit pretty much wherever you want them, coming off of a 5/8 stud. You could put this on a 20 or 40-inch arm off of a C-stand. You can have it on a straight stand like this. There's just, you know what to do with these things. I think it's a great piece of kit. It's sturdy. It works well. It's affordable, not the cheapest bracket out there, but it is also extremely versatile in terms of positioning. The T-handle here, it's a beast. It's a good piece of kit. Check it out. Don't forget to. And I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.